mitzwangen leider gar nicht so.
Hi there, everyone.
In-house extensive database are stored to combine knowledge of every Zendarian that has ever lived. Recently, I have been learning so much more about you Terrans. We Zandarians and Terrans have much in common, including our mutual love of exploration. Zandarians have explored many celestial bodies, what you Terrans call planets, and many fascinating life forms. In the past, when you witnessed our probes, you referred to our ships as unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Quelle told me that many of you Terrans still believe that these UFOs images and messages.
I know, but I still have to have.
Import-export cards. It's hard to understand we the wonders of Xandar and Epcot. Education is paramount to all Xandarians, as evidenced by our numerous knowledge centers. They attract students from Andromeda and beyond, looking for a stellar education. We are proud of our foundational learning, and teachers are highly respected on our planet. On Xandar, we are never far removed from the natural world, and caring for the environment is one of our core principles.
Power is generated, then transferred wirelessly to land-based storage units.
The Nova Corps uniforms reflect our peacekeeping mission. The theme, I wonder what this means.
There's also beauty in the design. Notice the complex geometric patterns in contrasting colors, blending the glass of the cockpit seamlessly into the metal elements of the ship.
As intense and dangerous as it actually was.
I'm sure it was very intense. We'll learn more about just how intense and dangerous it was in just a moment. Our world would have been destroyed in the battles of the Prämie were it not for the help we received from
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, We are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for the teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activated so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheer Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Oh, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I am watching Terrans from beyond.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of new jump point.
It's going back to another time.
Another time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through to the jump point. What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's cake. Where's this cake?
The odds are impossible.
Yep.
But it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back.
I'm out now. This planet of Guardians doesn't stand a chance.
What? I'm still on it? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control.
Attention.
Nova team, blink your star blasters.
We have him contained, but not for long.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Welcome back to Epcot. Please gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper.
Wie gut ist das denn bitte?